Yes,
Oh yeah, you know what time it is.
Just got a Walmart ASAP order. $12, 2 miles. It's early in the morning. Doordash got lots of no-tip orders out there. They sent me one $3.50 for 4 miles. No thank you. I'm good on that. Send it to somebody else. Welcome or welcome back. I'm your boy FDA Dash.
No, I'm
traded
not
the fastest dasher in the whole Milky Way. Let's head on over to Walmart.
Hurry up. Get the stuff in there. Quit talking. Just get it in there.
Not too much stuff.
Yeah, you better drop off them pots and pans. Get your look.
Okay, we keeping the wheels rolling. Today I just got my next order, $8.53, 1.4.
Look at him, Cameron.
$8.53, 1.4 miles at McDonald's. I've done 2 Walmart Spark orders. Each one was $12. That's 24 right there. Did a $4 Jack in the Box run. That put me up to $28.25. And now I got an $8 run right here. This finna be $32. Headed to McDonald's and DoorDash sent me this. $8.38 at Panera for 4 miles. I'm gonna knock this McDonald's order out first, and then I'm gonna
go to the same McDonald's every day.
Panera's right across the street, so I'm able to check in now, and I'm gonna drive a mile away, drop off the McDonald's first, and then I'll be back. I'm gonna be heading in the PetSmart for this one, guys. Got us a little shop and deliver order. 1 bag of dog food.
Your wheels rolling and maximize when you out there.
So, got the PetSmart, and I just got a Walmart Spark order. $17.08 for 5.5 miles, and that one got a pickup time for 2:45. So I got enough time to drop off this PetSmart order, then double on back right over here because Walmart is right over there. I'm at PetSmart right now, and Walmart is just right over in this little plaza. So we got enough time to drop this off. Keeping the wheels rolling on this one, guys. Now, I'm finna just keep on Walmart Spark and DoorDash rolling.
That's the name of the game.
Both of those apps.
Got us a little bag of pet food right here. Easy money. What's this, a Paw Patrol outfit? Yep. He is not playing.
Dad, he got the 3-wheel bike.
I don't.
With the flag on the back.
You better
with the
believe
windshield. It. Let's get it. He is not playing out here. He say it's 93 degrees. Who cares if it's 93 degrees? Look at that. He got places he got to go. And he ain't letting nothing stopping him. He all in traffic. No, that is not an electric bike. No, that does not have no pedal assist. That is all him. And you got to realize he pedaling while leaning back. So he getting the most efficient pedaling you ever can while on a 3-wheel vehicle. Man, these Walmart people was tripping. The associate gonna come out. It's already been 10 minutes, so the order's already late. And they already sent me a little notification saying I'm gonna get additional earnings on the trip. All right, no biggie. So the associate gonna come out, talking about some, oh, I need to check and see if you got enough space for this 3-stop order. We gotta put one in the front seat, one in the back. We can't put them in the totes. So I say, okay, no problem. Look, I got room in the front. I can let the seat up. They said you can't get the order the seat down. Hey, I can let the seat up. It's no issue. Oh, well, I got to go get the manager and make sure they verify it because this is I'm like, oh my God. I ain't giving no issue, so I wait. Here come the manager. Okay, it looks like you good. I guess I'm going to go ahead and release the order. Man, it's been 20 minutes now. The order been ready. They didn't send 2 separate people out to check and see if I got enough space. What is going on? Man, I canceled that order so fast. Stop playing with me. Got that shop and deliver. 2 items, some Paw Patrol pajamas, and some Paw Patrol slippers. Like, stop playing with me. I ain't got time to play them games. They already throwing us an extra customer. Ain't barely giving no extra money. Man, stop playing with me. I ain't got time for none of that. I got that shop and deliver, and I just turned on DoorDash. I just got a $10 My Pizza order going in the same direction. Stop playing with me. I'm not finna be up in there waiting. You know what I'm saying? 10, 20 minutes just for a Walmart associate to come out, check the car, make sure it's enough space, then go check with a manager so they can come out and do the same thing. Man, if you don't bring me that order, like, they is straight tweaking, boy. But I say, you know what? I got me a shop and deliver, and then I got me a DoorDash add-on. Let's get it. They ain't stopping no money. But if they crazy, if they think I'm finna sit there and wait on that, man, I let them bring the groceries all the way out. I canceled that mug and bagged right up. Like, nope. I do not want it. Y'all took way too long. Got me messed up. Take it right back in there. I just got a shop and deliver. $34.83 for 10 miles, 24 items. But before that, I'm finna grab this little DoorDash order at Cracker Barrel. This one came in at $10.25. Heading right back in that direction. Let's get it. Boom. So we leaving Walmart right now. Tell me why I just got an order on Uber Eats, y'all. $15. I think it says 6.6 miles going in the same direction as this Walmart Spark order, guys. So that's why I accepted this Walmart Spark order going 10 miles away. If it would have been a Doordash order going 10 miles away, I can't do it because I can't really guaranteed stack going 10 miles away on a Doordash order because it's a lots of strict parameters on those. But when it comes to Walmart Spark, they give you a lot more time, and the items you delivering may not be as sensitive as some hot, just ready cooked food. So therefore, I'm able to stack easier. So now I just got me a $15 order on Uber Eats that I'm stacking with my $34 order on Walmart Spark. Now I'm finna make 50 bucks this hour. Let's get it. So we finna pull up to this chicken spot where they got this chicken hot. Stop playing with me. I'm the best. Well, ain't this bottle? We pulling up to that chicken spot. Hopefully they got this thing ready. Now this is a Uber Eats order, guys, so it ain't no guarantee. But we gonna keep ourselves hopeful going up in here and hoping they got it ready. Go ahead, bag up in this parking spot. You know I gotta be the fastest to get in. Oh, yeah, that's right there. Yes, sir. That's how you parallel park that thing, just like that. Get in there. Yes, sir. Alrighty, we are dropping off this Chick-fil-A, and I know that dog or that cat better not bite me. Ooh, that did not smell great. Leave that there. We made it to our delivery destination. Let's go ahead and run these few bags of groceries up to the door, then come back with a case of soda. Yeah, I think I can take all of these in one trip. So just make one more trip for that Diet Coke. There we go. Nice and easy. Boom. Easy $50 in 1 hour. We got an $11 Uber order as we was dropping off that last one, guys, and it was calling us all the way back to our area. And the best part is it's right here at Moe's Southwest Grill. Now, I've been to this spot one time before in the past, and I like it because it's a drive-through pickup. Doesn't seem like it take a whole bunch of time to cook their food. And we pulling up right now. Let me go ahead and roll that window down. See if I can hit my little skedaddle real quick. There's some cars in the way. This time I might not be able to do it. But what I can do is I can pull like this. I can go ahead and
motherfucking Doordash and decided they don't want to pay nobody shit.
Crank it like soldier.
Ain't nobody getting nothing.
Turn that thing on right.
So don't even fucking worry about it.
On my way back, also up in this direction, since I was like,
accept the $2.50 order.
I was like 10
and just
miles
go
away.
ahead and deliver that, because that's
Order.
all you getting. That's all
Yeah,
the
it was
fuck you getting with
35
Doordash. You might as well go ahead and look for it.
So I was 10 miles away when they
look,
sent
it's
me this
over.
order.
Nobody
It said
getting no
11
larger
bucks
the
for
program.
13
Nobody
miles.
getting
This
nothing.
is really $11 for 3 miles. And let's see if they got it ready. I'm picking up for Jack. Yes, sir. And then Walmart Spark sent me my next shopping deliver. We got $30.53.
Look at this goddamn.
53 cents. Hopefully I'm right on that. But if not, I'll be throwing up a screenshot. Y'all
You
can
know he
correct
ain't
me in the
making
comments
no
below
money
if I'm messing up.
picking
the
up
numbers.
these goddamn
but either
$2
way,
and $3
$40 on this hour
sitting
because of
and
these
keep
two orders. So
he
I've
just
already
trying
done
to
shopping on the
himself that
Walmart
he making
Spark
money.
part.
Look, let's
Got
listen
all
to
the
what he's
groceries
saying.
in the
Hold
back
on,
back
just
there.
listen.
Now we finna pick up Jack's order. Drop his off first. It's only 3 miles away. And the Walmart, look, and it's ready. Yes, sir. Hold on, let me make sure I got it. Boom. Thank you. Go ahead, throw that in the hot bag. And boom. So now we got Jack's order. We're gonna drive it 3 miles away. Then we're gonna drop off this Walmart Spark order that's 5 miles away. Another $40 hour. Did about 25 minutes of shopping inside of Walmart. Let's get it. I think I'm at like 118 bucks so far. We did 2 shopping delivers. One was 35, one was 30. We did a $15 Uber. We did an $11 Uber order. And then we also made 28 bucks on DoorDash. So I'm gonna add all that up. I know somebody out there quicker than me, they're gonna add it up before I do. But I believe I'm at 118 bucks. I'm going a little bit longer. It's not even fully dark yet. I feel like I can at least get one more shopping deliver out of my system. Now I am kind of hungry. I should go on head home and get some of that dinner that my baby mama made for me. But look, the money is calling me, so I gotta go get it. $19.
Boy, shut your dumb ass up. You look
miles,
like you need that $19.11 order going 8 miles. Silly ass boy, look at them damn glasses. You need to go get you a new pair of glasses out here chasing down them $19 orders. Funny ass boy.
I need to check which direction this one is heading because that's gonna determine what order I grab and if I'm be able to stack it with this order. But I just need another $10 and I'm gonna be good with that for tonight. And then we're gonna get it again for tomorrow. And I just got it. I just grabbed a $10 Uber Eats order, $10 exactly, 4 miles right over at KFC. And KFC,
you know he lying. Look,
right down that way.
He lying. He ain't getting no $10 order. He's sitting at Walmart. He waiting on a Walmart Spark. The Walmart Spark probably only paying $8. Look at him. He need to go fucking vacuum that damn car. Oh, now he dropping off some KFC. So he got a little KFC order. Boy, get yours.
Ooh, I'm tired now. So we got that KFC dropped off. Made a good amount of money today. As you can see, it's dark now. Look, I'm heading home. About to get me something to eat. Made it this far. Do me a favor, hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.